It's the overall, the rounded presentation. It was given by Marco and Amita that are clearly living a tantric lifestyle, that have an abundance of knowledge, and I really liked the way that they were able to share this knowledge, both as an academic concept but also very practically as well, and I found that really good about the workshop. Well, for me, one of the big impacts of the workshop has been how I can relate it to the way that I want to live my life, and I want to live my life in a full capacity, maximizing myself with.
Because it was delivered in a really practical and direct way. It's not like just theory and things that you just keep in your mind, and then when it comes the time, you know how to practice. So this was really easy for me to understand and to know how to practice. Well, I had a lot of things in the understanding of my sexuality, to be more in touch with it and less afraid of really embracing it and experimenting, you know, because it's so easy what you explained, what the information delivered. You of course to keep going, to keep learning and to keep practicing. I would love to take the other workshops that Marco and Amita are giving, because you have so much fun at the same time, like you learn and at the same time you have so much fun and so much understanding that I'm looking forward.
What was for me really transformational was the transmission of the passion for brahmacharya and for bringing the energy up, and it really transformed our lovemaking into recognizing it more and more as a spiritual practice. Really helped to give more depth into the lovemaking.
So I really like the fact how we can transfigure each other and then make love. For me is so beautiful, and to even have like a tapas for a month or something, that when we only make love from now on, it's only with doing it like a ritual. And I find it so beautiful, and it brought so much depth into our lovemaking, and also just to be around Amita and Marco, to have like this inspiration of somebody who is really living it, and just this transmission of this enthusiasm for all of this, which really inspired me. Also, I feel it brought us a lot closer in this intimate way, because we've been together for almost 7 years, and then it like helped us to go much deeper with each other, and this has been really nice.
And we no longer need to turn away from our altar while making love, rather the opposite. Turn towards the altar. To feel during the course the group energy, to have so many people with the same aspiration coming together. It was also guided and taught with a lot of love, with a lot of clarity, and with a lot of direction. And the practices were amazing, especially one stays with me is the transfiguration, the ritual at the end of the course, and through eye contact, through a transmission of energy, you look beyond the personality, beyond the masks or the roles we often take, and see the pure divinity in the other person. Beyond all those masks, there is only pure beauty, and that was wonderful to experience.
Yeah, for me it was the same, just to see that this spark of divine in everybody, and to really feel it, like to see everybody as God. I found that to be so beautiful, and to share this experience in a group together, and then to see this consciousness of oneness in just everyone and everything. It really brought this feeling of expansion in my heart. I'm much more attracted to floaties than before.